Hello everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspections out here in lovely Tonopah. On this roof here, there's some issues. It's been replaced at one point, but they made some errors, so let's take a look. As we're walking around, we're looking at these plumbing vents, and you can see the shingles are wrapped around the top side, and then they're covered here on the bottom. So now we have a hole right here, so water's gonna come down here. It's gonna go underneath the shingles and go down, so that's going to be leakage, and it's the same way on all these ductwork here. Same thing, it's on every one of them. See, this one's a little more appropriate, but technically this flashing on the vent metal here should be over the shingle, so as it runs down, over the shingle and down, and instead we're going under the roofing material, so this is going to cause leaks and water damage. So that's a very important reason why to get your homes inspected. Give us a call, First Class Home Inspections, for 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. We'll see you next time.